Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, sticky toffee puddings. This kit serves 4 people and takes approximately 20 minutes to make, and it's effortless yet impressive. It's also vegan friendly and gluten free. Sticky toffee pudding is an icon of hearty British cuisine. Firstly, boil a kettle, snip open the sachet of dates. Empty them out into a small bowl and pour on 100 ml of boiling water and leave to soak. Turn on the oven to 100 degrees Celsius. Empty the sachet of cake mix into a bowl, reserving 2 teaspoons. Use this to dust the greased Daryl molds. If you're making your puddings vegan, pour in 100 ml of full-fat plant milk and whisk until the batter has no lumps and is smooth. Then stir in the soaked dates. For non-vegan puddings, whisk 1 large egg. You should have about 60 ml of liquid egg and pour in 50 ml of full-fat milk and whisk until no lumps. Stir in the soaked dates. Then grease the foil pudding molds with a little oil or butter. Dust the greased Daryl molds to ensure a quick release. Pour and divide the batter equally between the greased and dusted molds. Each mold should be filled 3/4 of the way up. Bake in the oven for 12 minutes. While the puddings are in the oven, you can get on with the sauce. Take a small saucepan and empty out the sachet of muscovado sugar and 50 grams of butter. Heat gently until the sugar has dissolved. Now pour in 60 ml of milk, slowly stirring all the time. Turn up the heat and boil for 1 minute. This will reduce and thicken the sauce a little. It should be syrupy enough to coat the back of a spoon. Take the puddings out of the oven. Insert a fork to check they are cooked through. They should be springy to the touch. Cut off any excess sponge so when the puddings are turned out, they sit flat. Create more holes with the fork in all of the puddings until the bottom. Then spoon 2 tablespoons of sauce onto each pudding and let this seep through and absorb. Once the sauce has been absorbed, insert a knife around the edges of each pudding and turn them out onto a shallow bowl or a saucer with a rim. Pour the remainder of the sauce equally onto each pudding. The sticky toffee puddings are best served warm with single cream or ice cream. Absolutely delicious.